Hi, this is Jay from Doodad. Today I'm going to show you how to install our Doodad laptop skins, which fits pretty well for all the size of laptops. Easy and standard installation. Let us begin with required tools. This is how you receive your skin through online purchase. Let's unbox it. Please understand there are no skills required for installing this decal on both installation methods. The material of this skin is vinyl high quality, which is commonly used on automobiles like cars, bikes for decorating it, also known as wrapping. So obviously it requires heat to fit or stick properly on the curves and edges. But if you are heating or using knife for wrapping your laptop, somehow you may cut or scratch the surface of the laptop, or the heat may damage the color, any hardware of it. It's risky, right? That's why we Doodad suggest easy installation, that is very standard installation too, so that you can change your desired designs many times without harming your device. I applied skin already in this laptop, now I am removing it. See, these are the different types of laptop having their unique designs on the edges. One is very deep curve, another one is flat, and this laptop having both curve and sharp edges. No need of wrapping on the curves because it may be disturbing while you keep it inside your backpack. Make sure your laptop surface is clean. Don't use soap, just use wet cloths and wait for it to dry completely. Now we need to trim the skin, so cross check whether it is upside down or not while opening it. Yes. Mark it inside. Don't sharp your pencil much. Mark evenly until you finish all the sides. Don't slide and don't mark outside like this, because mark is going to decide the entire look, so slow and steady while you're doing. Now use scissors to trim the skin and cut inside the mark edge, not outside. See, like this, inside the mark edge. Yep. Corners are very important. The time you take, the look it gives. Done. Okay. Place it on the top and make sure all the four sides looking even. Yes, it's looking even now. Okay, then now peel off on any one side edge and trim the back paper like I do. Place it again on the top and adjust according to it. Yes. Now press down firmly on the skin. Make sure you don't have any bubbles on it. By pressing down like this will clear bubbles instantly. See how I am releasing the back paper, and at the same time pressing down. Do the same until you finish. Though practically we need some heat on the edges, do like this and give some heat to it. Heat. So that the edges will not peel off. Or if you have hair dryer, use it. Risky and wrapping method. The methods are more or less same, but here we need some extra tools like hair dryer and knife, remaining are same. Let me show you how the skin is reacting while heating. Let's switch on the heater. See how it works. Now you can pull and see how it reacts. See, now you can pull and stick it at any curves, which is very flexible. So this is how we paste the skin now. Let me remove the skin entirely. Now fit the skin on the top according to the design. Here the design is concentrated on the right side edge, so I'm fitting it exactly to cover the design. As like the previous method, start applying it. All same like the previous method while sticking, while removing bubbles and all. Now it's almost done. Now, yes, done. Use heater on the edges like this. See, after the skin reacts, just pull it and wrap it around the corners without hustle. You can make it. Make sure of bubbles and folds is not there. If there, remove it and again heat and do this. Heat baby, heat. Yes, again heat and yep, wrap like this all around the corners. Now look, all the extra skins around the screen, cut using knife. Yes, cut like this. That's it. All done. Again, give some heat on the corners. Yes, done. Alright, thanks for watching. Again, keep in mind there are several sizes and more than 1000 number of designs in Doodad on your